Hi friends. Today you gonna learn pronouncing words with silent letters. So, keep watching the full video for your betterment. When U is silent. Biscuit. Here U is silent letter. Same as all will be. Build. Circuit. Disguise. Guilty. League. Rogue. Vague. Guess. Guest. Guide. Guitar antique. Baguette. Built. Guard. Guild. Guile. Guilt. Guitar. Silhouette. When K is silent. Knack.in. This words also, K is quiet. Same will be following according to letter. Knee, kneel, knife, night, knit, knob, knot, no, knuckle, need, new, knickers, knowledge. When S is silent. Isle, island, debris. When G is silent. Assign, benign, campaign, champagne, cologne, consign, design, feign, foreign, null, gnome, rain, resign, sign, align, campaign, design, malign, rain, sign, gnarled, gnash, gnat, gnaw, gnome. When D is silent. Handkerchief, handsome, Wednesday, sandwich. When N is silent. Autumn, column, condemn, damn, hymn, solemn. When CH is silent. Yacht. When W is silent. Wren, wrote, wrestling, wriggle, wrinkle, sword, hole, wreck, to, wrap, wrong, wrist, wrangle, wrap, wreath, wreck, wrench, wrestle, wriggle, ring, right, wrong, answer, sword, towards, to, whole, who, whom, whose. When P is silent. Psalm, psychic, pterodactyl, psychology, receipt, core, coup. When T is silent. Bristle, fasten, listen, mortgage, soften, thistle, wrestle, castle, hustle, chestnut, ballet, buffet, crochet, valet, debut, beret, apostle, bustle, castle, moisten, often, Nestle, rustle, soften, thistle, whistle, wrestle. When C is silent. Ascent, fascinate, muscle, scene, scissors, crescent, descent, scenario, scent, ascend, descend, disciple, fluorescent, obscene, resuscitate, science. When H is silent. Ache, anchor, archaeology, architect, chaos, character, charisma, chemical, chlorine, choir, chord, choreograph, chrome, echo, ghost, hour, honest, mechanic, monarchy, orchestra, psychic, scheme, school, stomach, tech, air, honor, hour, ghost, what, when, where, why, while, weather, white, rhythm. When L is silent. Balm, calm, calf, half, yoke, palm, chalk, talk, walk, could, should, would, kernel, almond, salmon. When B is silent. Bomb, climb, comb, crumb, debt, doubt, dumb, lamb, limb, plumber, subtle, thumb, tomb, womb. Thanks a lot for watching.